Hey. Hey. What is in your shorts?
Oh
What are you doing?
no.
Hey, give me that spoon. Why are you putting spoons in your shorts?
Oh no.
Hey, you don't know? What is that?
A boy.
A spoon? Why is there spoons in your shorts?
That.
Give me that spoon.
No.
Give me that spoon.
No.
Hey, why is there spoons in your shorts? Huh? Why is there spoons in your shorts? Xavier. Give me that spoon. Let me see it. Take it out. Let me see the spoon.
No.
Let me see it.
No.
Xavier. Let me see the spoon. Hey.
No. No.
What is this?
A blue.
Why is it in your shorts?
I'm confused.
No.
Hey. Hey, look at me. Why is there a spoon in there?
Yeah.
Give me the spoon.
No.
Is there another one in there? There's another spoon in your shorts. Stop it. Xavier. Oh my God, sweet child. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Xavier Atlin. Look at me. Hey. You're crazy. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Say bye. What a...
No.
Bye.